Hey guys, this is the read aloud for the math quiz on April 23rd, Thursday. I'll only read the ones with words, so then you can pause and continue as you need to, or listen to it again if you need to, whatever you need to work at your own pace. I guess that's it. I'll get going, but good luck. Number one, what is the difference of these fractions? Number two, which multiplication sentence can you use to find the quotient of 1/2 divided by 3? Number 3, 1/2 of a pizza is left. 5 friends want to share the pizza equally. What fraction of the pizza will each person get? Number 4, what is another way to write the fraction 4/12, or 4/12 if you prefer? Okay. Number 5 is not one that I need to read. Number 6, a teacher has a 60-pound bag of sand. She pours all the sand into 8 buckets. She puts an equal amount of sand in each bucket. What is the total amount of sand in each bucket? Number 7, which of the following is equivalent to the expression below? Number 8, it takes Jim 2 3/4 of an hour to paint a deck. It takes Norman 3 1/8 of an hour to paint the same deck at another location. How much faster is Jim? Number 9, I don't need to read. Number 10, what is the total height of the bicycle shown? Hang on. What is the total height of the bicycle shown? We're good for 11. Here's 12. Dustin used flour to bake bread. He used 2/3 of a whole bag of flour the first day. The second day he used 1/6 of the whole bag of flour. What total fraction of the whole bag of flour did he use during the 2 days? "13. At a restaurant, 5/8 of the customers who ordered dessert chose apple pie, and 1/3 chose cherry pie. All the others who ordered dessert chose ice cream. What fraction of the customers who ordered dessert chose ice cream?" 14. Russ stacked 2 blocks on top of each other. The height of the first block was 4 1/3 inches. The height of the second block was 8 3/5 inches. What was the height of the stack of 2 blocks? 15. Pablo has 6 dogs. Pablo feeds these dogs a total of 20 pounds of dog food each week. Pablo feeds each dog an equal amount of dog food each time he feeds them. Which statement is true? Each dog is fed 3 1/2 pounds of dog food each week. Each dog is fed 7 pounds of dog food each week. Each dog is fed between 3 and 4 pounds of dog food each week. Or each dog is fed between 0 and 1 pounds of dog food each week. 16. Yala brought 5/9 of a pound of cherries to school. Will brought 4/5 of a pound of cherries to school. Yala used the expression below to find the difference in the number of pounds of cherries she and Will brought to school. So again, just to emphasize the difference in the number of pounds of cherries that she and Will brought to school. Which expression shows one way to solve the expression Yala used above? "17. Hart bought 3/8 pounds of cashews, 1/8 pound of almonds, and 5/6 pounds of walnuts. What is the total weight of the nuts Hart bought? 18. Jana is making cookies using a recipe that calls 3/4 per cup of sugar. If she doubles the recipe, how much sugar should she use? So 3/4 of a cup of sugar. If she doubles the recipe, how much sugar should she use? 19. A group of 18 students wants to share 2 bags of chips equally. Which fraction represents the amount of chips each student should receive? 20. Mrs. McEver will order 3 pizzas for 9 people to share equally. Which expression represents how to find the fraction of a pizza each person will receive?